When doing portrait photography, especially very close-up portrait photography, the main focus or focal point of the photo really becomes the eyes. And so we really want the eyes to not get lost and stand out. And there are great tools in Luminar AI to make that happen.
In this photo, you can see that we probably need to crop in just a little bit just to make sure that we really do focus in straight on those eyes. So we're going to use composition again, bring it over, really just get those eyes in the center of the photo. Let's go to enhance, bring up the accent just a little bit to get some of those colors popping. Get that photo to come to life. I think that looks pretty. It's soft and it's subtle, but it does so much. And now we're gonna go over into portrait. Before we get to their eyes, because this photo is so tight, I do wanna soften the skin just a little bit. Not too much because these two already have such beautiful skin, but just a little bit. And I like that. I feel like it just softens the skin ever so slightly. Now, let's get to the fun part.
The eyes.
The eyes. So brown eyes sometimes have a tendency to get a little bit lost, I feel like, in photos. So if you go into iris and you just click brown, because their eyes are brown already, I don't want to change the color of their eyes. I just want to emphasize the brown that's already there, and I want to bring that down just a little bit, the iris visibility. We want them to still look natural, so I'm going to bring the visibility down just a little bit, but as you can see, it really helped their eyes just pop a little bit more and the color just come to life a little bit more.
And something awesome about these tools is the only thing Chelle's doing is moving a slider. The software is detecting their faces, it's detecting their eyes, it's adding the color where it should go. We aren't having to mask anything or do anything like that. So it's really fast and really easy to get these edits done.